Southern Manitoba woke up to cooler than usual weather Thursday morning, but winter is still continuing for the next few days. Environment and Climate Change Canada said there is a winter storm warning for much of the Red River Valley, including Winnipeg. Meteorologists say that Alberta low pressure is heading towards Manitoba and will cause winds to start picking up as the day progresses. It is estimated that when Friday arrives, the wind will change to more from the north, northwest and bring very strong winds in a number of areas. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas have experienced extreme weather over the last few days.
Shut her down. Everywhere around here is going to be good.
ஆட்டெல்லாம் வந்து அப்படி காலில் இருந்தெல்லாம் வந்து ஐஸ் இருந்து அப்படியே மெல்ட் ஆகி எல்லா இடமே வந்து ஈரமாக தண்ணியோட தான் இருக்கும். இப்போ ஸ்னோஃபால் டைமில் வந்து
On Friday, wind gusts of 60 km/h with temperatures in the 80s, maybe even 90s in some areas started in the morning and continued into the evening. Authorities say there will also be several centimeters of snow, but the wind is the real problem and will create dangerous driving conditions, especially on highways. Central Manitoba is expected to be hit by the worst of the blizzard, with snowfall warnings and up to 25 centimeters of snow expected to fall in some areas.
ஃபுல்லாகவே எல்லாம் தண்ணியாக தான் இருக்குது. ஒரு மழை பெய்த உடனே விட்ட உடனே இப்படி இருக்கும் தார் ரோட்டில் எல்லாம் இருக்கிற மாதிரி தான் அந்த தண்ணி ஈரமாக எல்லா இடமே இருக்கும்.